In this video, I'll show you how you can increase brightness in Roblox. Now what you want to do is you want to open up Roblox, and from in here you want to press escape, go to your settings right here, then you want to scroll down until you find the graphics mode, and you want to make sure you set it to manual. Now don't have it on automatic, make sure it's manual, and from in here you want to find graphics quality and set it all the way to the top. Now if you have it down here, you need to just press all the way up here. Then you want to find background transparency and make sure it's at the bottom. So if you have it here or something, what you want to do is simply turn it all the way down until there's none of these boxes left. Now once you've done this, this will be the most bright Roblox that you're able to make it with the settings. Now after that, simply resume, and now you can play with the highest brightness. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.